Hey guys, welcome back to my another new video. How are you everyone? I hope all will be fine. For a long time no video was coming on my YouTube channel, because I was studying for a long time. That's why I could not upload a single video on my channel. So I apologize to all of you. Now I will try to upload videos regularly. Show love and support to your brother. Like before, today I'll learn to you how to color grade your videos like smooth yellow tone in Lightroom mobile. See a demo video. How can I make it? To make a video like this, first all of you, import your video in the Lightroom application. After that imported, open your Lightroom mobile application, and follow my steps very carefully, how I edit.
Look at all you've gone through, all the crazy and the bittersweet too.